Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video, I discuss the course of the axillary nerve. The root of the axillary nerve is cervical 5 and 6. This is the brachial plexus. This is the root of the brachial plexus. This is the trunk of the brachial plexus. These are the divisions of the brachial plexus situated just behind the clavicle. This is the cord of the brachial plexus situated within the axilla. All posterior divisions of the upper, middle and lower trunk unite from the posterior cord. Posterior cord situated just behind the axillary artery. So this is the posterior cord. From posterior cord two nerve arises. This is the axillary nerve, this is the radial nerve. This is the subscapulary muscles. This is the origin, this is insertion. The axillary nerve situated in front of the subscapularis muscle and just behind the axillary artery. From main trunk, a articular branch arises and supply the shoulder joint. At the lower border of the subscapularis muscle, this nerve is enter a triangular quadrangular space, and here it divided into two branch. This is the quadrangular space situated in between teres minor and teres major, and laterally surgical neck and medially long head of the triceps. Within the quadrangular space, the posterior circumflex humeral artery is pass and related with the surgical posterior part of the surgical neck of the humerus. Along with the posterior circumflex humeral artery, the anterior branch is run. This is the posterior branch. The anterior branch of the axillary nerve supply the anterior and middle part of the deltoid muscles and give small cutaneous branches which supply skin over the lower part of the deltoid muscle. This is the posterior branch of the axillary nerve. You see, it supply the posterior part of the deltoid muscle and also the teres minor muscles, and it gives off the upper lateral cutaneous nerve of the arm. This is the cross sections of the arm at the level of deltoid muscle. You see, this is the surgical neck, and this is the axillary artery. This is the anterior circumflex humeral artery. This is the posterior circumflex humeral artery, and you see, this is the axillary nerve. This is the anterior branch which supply the anterior and middle part of the deltoid muscles, and few nerves became cutaneous. This is the posterior branch of the axillary nerve. It supply the posterior part of the deltoid muscle and also teres minor muscle, and it give off a cutaneous branch, the superior lateral cutaneous branch of the arm. So this is the summary of the course of the axillary nerve. This is the posterior cross present within the axilla, and from the main stem a articular branch supply the shoulder joint. This is the anterior branch, and this is the posterior branch. Anterior branch supply the anterior middle part of the deltoid. The posterior branch supply posterior part of the deltoid and became the superior lateral cutaneous nerve of the arm. The deltoid injury of the axillary nerve. The cause of axillary nerve injury is characterized by the trauma to the axillary nerve from a compressive force traction injury following anterior dislocation of the shoulder and force abduction movement of the shoulder joint. Symptom: pain to the area of the deltoid and anterior shoulder, less movement and lack of sensation in the shoulder area, and deltoid atrophy and weakness of the flexion, abductions and external rotation. So this is all about axillary nerve. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel.